Okay, so P12.4, more about waves, and the wave we're going to talk about in particular is a sound wave. So sound waves quite straightforward. Particles vibrate, they oscillate side to side. Those oscillations get passed on to the next one, which get passed on to the next one, which get passed on to the next one, and so on until somebody hears it. Okay, so if you have a wall and you have a sound wave and it travels to the wall and it then travels back from the wall, the wave that's travelling back is called the echo because it has been reflected, and the laws of reflection are exactly the same as the laws of reflection for light. So if you've got a smooth object, you'll get a better echo. They'll all go back in the same direction. If you've got a rough surface, they'll all start to interfere with each other and be a bit of a mess, and you won't be able to hear it properly. So you need a nice hard smooth surface to get a good echo. Okay, so if you've got somebody here who's ready to listen to this, so let's say you make a noise by clapping two boards together here, and it makes a big loud clap. That sound energy will travel till it hits the wall, and then it will come back. And we know that speed equals distance divided by time. So if you are timing how long it takes to get to the wall, so you make the clap, then you time how long it takes for the echo to get back to you, then what you know is that the distance that the wave has travelled is twice the distance from the person to the wall, so that would be 2d, if that is 1d. So you know the distance will be 2d, and the time is how long it took you to hear it. And that will give you the speed of sound in air, which is approximately 330 meters per second. Now, the thing with sound is the opposite to light, where the closer together these particles are, the faster it can pass on these vibrations. So the more dense the material, the faster sound travels. So you know this, if you've ever seen an old Western movie and someone puts their ear to the ground and they can hear a train come in, that's because the sound is travelling through the tracks far faster, or through the ground far faster than it's travelling through the air, so you can hear it from further away. That's why you say that elephants hear through their feet, and all sorts of other interesting things like that. Okay, sound travels faster in solids than it does in liquids.